everyone, my name is Javant Aryan. I am from Jammu and Kashmir. As of today, I'll be going to Georgia to start my MBBS from the university, Grigor Robakadze University. It has been an amazing experience to be working with the RM Group of Education. My sister, she introduced me to the RM Group of Education. Aisha Garu ma'am helped me throughout the process. The process has been seamless, smooth, everything has been on point. And today finally marks the day where I'll be flying to Georgia to pursue my MBBS. I just want to say a very big thank you to the RM Group of Education.
Hello, my name is Maya Rasool. I belong from West Bengal, Kolkata, and I'm 19 years old. Today I'm traveling to Grigor Robakadze University for my MBBS course, which is of 6 years. मैंने documentations and procedures के लिए first time Mr. Shikhar से बात किया था. It was during education fair. So far the documentation process as well as the visa was very easy to find, as well as जितना भी interviews था, all the teachers and the professors सब बहुत अच्छे रहे हैं. हमारी online classes भी हुई थी in between due to some issues, but finally now that the journey is secure and I'm going, it's a happy journey right now. RM Group of Consultancy who helped me to start this journey, as well as they are saying through everything. Thank you.
मेरा नाम सील है, मैं अहमदाबाद से बिलोंग करती हूँ. मैं MBBS पढ़ने जॉर्जिया जा रही हूँ, ग्रिगोर रोबाकादजे यूनिवर्सिटी. मुझे RM एजेंसी के बारे में पता चला एंड डॉक्टर हिमांशु सर हेल्प मी थ्रू आउट द प्रोसेस. इट वाज सो इजी एंड थैंक यू.
हेलो, माय नेम इज ओम सिंह. आई एम फ्रॉम उत्तर प्रदेश, वाराणसी. मैं RM ग्रुप की तरफ से जॉर्जिया जा रहा हूँ. RM ग्रुप एक बहुत ही ज़्यादा अच्छी और ट्रस्टफुल ग्रुप है. इन्होंने मेरी बहुत हेल्प की है, मेरी डाउट्स, प्रॉब्लम्स, हर एक चीज़ क्लियर की है. विवेक सर, सुनंदा मैम, रिया मैम, बहुत ज़्यादा हेल्प हुई है. जॉर्जिया एक बहुत सेफ कंट्री है. थैंक यू सो मच RM ग्रुप फॉर हेल्पिंग मी.
Hi, my name is Riya Singh. I am from Devariya, Uttar Pradesh, and I am going to Grigor Robakadze University for my study of MBBS. I have searched it on internet and I have met Vivek sir in Banaras. In this journey, I have been helped by RM Group of Education, and all the members of this group has helped me a lot in my journey to take admission in GRUNI. Thank you to RM Group of Education.
Hello, I am Tarun Kumar Verma from Rewari, Haryana. I took admission in the Grigor Robakadze University, Georgia. The RM education helped me a lot in documentation and all processes. In future, I would like to thank all of the group.
Hello everybody, I'm Shikhar Srivastav, the Indian representative of Grigor Robakadze University in Tbilisi, Georgia. I'm sitting with Om Singh here. He's a first year medical student and he's just joined the boys hostel yesterday. Let us ask him about his experiences. Om, how's the experience here?
Experience was good. मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा फर्स्ट डे आके. The furniture are all organized. काफ़ी चीज़ें बहुत अच्छी थी. बहुत अच्छा लगा मुझे. फर्स्ट काफ़ी फ्रेंड्स मिले, काफ़ी फर्स्ट ईयर के बच्चे थे. काफ़ी अच्छा लगा मुझे.
Sitting with Javant Aryan now, and he's from Jammu, and let us ask him about his experience at GRUNI first day.
Well, the first day was amazing. Given the fact the hostels are well furnitured, everything is there, the facilities are amazing. The people in the hostels are amazing. The service was amazing as well. The pick and drop service from the airport was absolutely amazing.
So, Jayavant, how was the food here?
Well, the food's good, given the fact, most of the hostels, they don't have the right food, the right proportions. But the food here is actually good. It's tasty. And the servings, the proportions are good as well.
Okay. And is the weather any different from India?
Well, I'm from Jammu. The weather's quite nice, given the fact. But to some students, it might be cold since they will be from other parts of India. But to me, it just feels like home.
Are you settled in your room?
Oh, I am completely. With my roommates, it's been amazing.
That's great. We'll visit your room soon. We are sitting here with Devasya Vishal here. How are you, Devasya?
I'm fine.
Great. So let us ask him about his pickup and drop from the Tbilisi airport to Gruni hostel. How was it?
Yeah, it was very nice. You assisted us very well, and the car was also very comfortable.
Now we're sitting with Tarun Verma, and it's his first day as well at Gruni. And let us ask him about his experience. So Tarun, कैसा था आपका first day experience Gruni hostel में?
Sir, it was amazing. Our hostels are very good and nice, well furnished, and you assisted us very well.
Thank you so much. So आपको क्या कोई problems आई like during the money conversion या फिर immigration में या travel में यहाँ तक आने में?
नहीं जॉर्जिया में इमिग्रेशन और मनी कन्वर्जन वेरी इजी है और सर ने हमारी बहुत हेल्प करी.
एंड आपको खाना कैसा लगा यहाँ का?
कंपैरिजन में देखा जाए तो बहुत अच्छा है बाकी हॉस्टलों से और अपना इंडिया का टेस्टफुल है.
सो आप आने से पहले यू मस्ट हैव हर्ड अ लॉट दैट फूड आउटसाइड इज़ नॉट गुड या फिर वेदर कंडीशंस बहुत हार्श होती हैं एंड काफ़ी प्रॉब्लम्स फेस करते हैं बच्चे. बट अकॉर्डिंग टू यू आपका ऐसा कुछ एक्सपीरियंस बैड रहा है?
No, weather here is only very good and nice for us.
We are sitting here with Shivyanshu Saklani and it's his first day at Gruni hostel. So let us ask him some questions about his first day experience and the food and many other things. So Shivyanshu, how was your first day experience in the hostel? How was your night? Was it too cold or it was good, the heaters and all were working or not?
Sir, first of all, sir, thank you for asking that. And the food service is amazing. The hostel is amazing. There is a heater inside it which keeps the hostel warm and perfect. It is totally fine. There is no problem in hostel or in mess. Everything is fine.
Okay, Shivyanshu. So what all are the amenities that you got inside the room? Like, is it well equipped with every like all the equipments, or there are some things that you would like to point out?
We got fully furnished furnitures. We got fully furnished cupboard. We got fridge. We got washing machine and dryers too. We got almiras. We got fridge. We got a kettle for warm water. We got washing machine services. We got iron service. We got everything in that.
Great. So I think there's no more to get inside the hostel, right?
That is more than enough, sir.
So we are now entering Jayavant, Shivyanshu and Tarun's room. Let's see how they're keeping it. A well cleaned room, I guess. Hello guys.
Tarun, you have kept your room pretty clean as we all can see. So ये बताओ आपको कैसा लग रहा है यहाँ के रूम में आके? एमिनिटीज कैसी हैं यहाँ पे? हाउस एवरीथिंग हियर?
जैसा कि आपको सर ने दिखाया होगा, हमें एक बहुत ही अच्छा रूम मिला है जिसमें हमें फ्रिज, केटल जैसी सारी सुविधाएं मिल गई है और हम अपने रूम को बहुत ही क्लीन रखते हैं जैसा कि आप देख सकते हैं.
So Shivyanshu, India से आके how are you feeling? Are you feeling home apart from home or you're like you have gelled in here?
Sir, I am feeling same as home place because sir, as Tarun said कि हमें फ्रिज मिला है सर, केटल मिली है, ऑलमोस्ट सारी फैसिलिटीज़ है सर यहाँ पर. ऐसा नहीं लग रहा कि बिल्कुल हम घर से बाहर हैं. सेम सर, सेम फील लाइक.
We are now going to talk with Jayavant Aryan here, and he's from Jammu, India, and let us see how his experience in his hostel room is. So Jayavant, how's your experience?
Well, the experience is quite good, as you can see. We work great beds. The room is well furnished. There is an almirah right here. There's a table. There's a table right there. Although it's kind of messy right now, but it's the first day, so we'll cut the slack. And the heater is there. And there's a side table, a fridge, a dressing mirror, and the views from the room are quite amazing. You can see the hustle and bustle through the city. And the best part about this locality being that we have all the grocery stores quite near, so to get things and to get goods. And other than that, it's a good room. Well to sleep. And everything's great.
Are you facing any discrimination or anything here?
No, the people are quite friendly. They're quite sophisticated.
So we're going inside the room of Devasya and Om, and this is their room. And hello, Devasa and Om, how are you? Good. So it seems that you guys have settled here. A little messy, but then it's fine. It's a boys' room, though. So, how are you liking your room?
Set is all good. All the furnitures are set very well.
So, Om, आपने local markets explore करी यहाँ की?
यस सर, मैं गया था बगल में। काफ़ी अच्छी इन्वायरमेंट है, काफ़ी अच्छे शॉप्स है, लोकल शॉप्स हैं, काफ़ी चीज़ें यहाँ आपको मिल जाएंगी। ऐसी कोई चीज़ें नहीं हैं जो आपको यहाँ नहीं मिलेगी।
So, how's the security part? यहाँ पे आपको क्या लगता है? Do you face any safety concerns here? And do you think कि आपको यहाँ पे और किसी चीज़ की और ज़रूरत है? So we can help you in that as well.
नो सर, द सिक्योरिटी इज़ वेरी वेल एंड वेरी स्ट्रिक्टली ऑल्सो, कि आप यहाँ पे बहुत सेफली रह सकते हैं, बहुत सेफ जगह है, ऐसी कोई चीज़ें की प्रॉब्लम नहीं है।
So myself, I'm Amarish, Deputy Director of the 60. So I'm one of the reasons that you're here. Okay. So there are many reasons, but I'm one of that.
Myself, Riya Singh. I'm from UP.
Okay.
Myself, Om Singh.
I'm Shivanshu from Delhi. Shivanshu Saklani. Yeah, I'm Tarul Verma Gumarion. Tarul Verma. I'm Devasya from Jammu. I never say how you are.
From Jamdarin from Jammu and Kashmir.
Can I see your piece? Yeah.
Jamdarin from Jammu and Kashmir.
So my name is Amarish. I am the Deputy Director of this university for recruiting students, international students and other international relations. And she's Miss Nino Badaladze. She's your Dean for your medicine program. And we will be giving you a brief about how you will take up your entire education process. So not too much, because definitely you cannot gulp everything one day. It will slowly and eventually need to understand. You will be having an understanding that how you are coming in a different batch, different group, different timing, different month, different week, but you are all together in one group. How? Okay. So we are working as in credit systems. Okay. We do not study the entire education process as GPA or percentage, how you used to do it in India, right? We are doing in a credit system. So basically, if there is a subject called surgery 1, so there will be surgery 1, surgery 2, surgery 3. So for example, if you're doing a subject called surgery 1, it has 4 credits. That means it doesn't mean that you need to, how you will achieve that 4? Just by passing that subject, and the passing mark is 51. You need to understand that. Okay. Now, if you get 51, you will get those 4 credits. Actively accumulate all these credits to 360 to be able to be a doctor, MD doctor, medical doctor, or MBBS, how we call it back in India, equivalent to MBBS. Now, every semester is divided with 30 credits each. Okay, so that you can accumulate 360 in total in 6 years, and then you will be able to be a graduate. Right? This is the simplification. Now, if you just pass 51, you will still get the entire 4 credits of surgery 1, but your grades will be less. A, B, C, D. Okay, F is fail, of course. So you need to be concentrating on your grades also. So it's not that you just aim to just pass that subject and that's it. Now, coming back to the credit system back again. So, surgery 1 is a prerequisite subject for surgery 2. Do you understand what is a prerequisite? If somebody does it, please ask. Okay, so if you do not pass, for example, basic algebra, you cannot go for higher mathematics course, right? So similarly, if you do not study the basic of understanding of medicine or biology, you cannot study medicine. So these are preconditions. You need to understand. So if you fail in one subject, that will go to the next semester. So you will increase those credits and you have to pay for those extra credits also. So do not waste this money like that way. So you need to be very careful with these things. That you cannot say, okay ma'am, please give me surgery 2. I have not passed surgery 1. Okay, I will do surgery 1 and surgery 2 together in one semester. Not possible. That's not allowed. Okay, these are the basic understanding of how the credit system works out here. Okay, now coming back to the question again, that you came on different batch, different group. So when first group of people came in the month of October here, they were having 2 to 3 classes. Okay, now they will start having 4 to 5 classes per week. So you will jump straight with them. You understand? Maybe you will not get the entire 30 credits this semester. You will get lesser credits. But we have an option in the second group, that is in the spring batch. So the spring semester will start in the month of April or May. Okay, that is a longer semester usually. You know, there is no holidays in between this semester. The months are mostly 31 days. Okay, so you have more weeks to study. So to complete a education process, you need to study 15 weeks minimum. Okay, that is only education. Plus additionally to that is 3 to 4 weeks of your examination. So this is how it works. So 5 months is what it takes almost, or a little bit more than 5 months to complete a semester. So if you get 20 credit now, you might get 35 credit in the second semester and then another 35 on the third semester. So if you are late due to the visa process or whatever reason, we will manage it. So please pass on to your friends who are not here. This is my request, first of all, who are not here yet.
कैसा है पहला दिन, कैसा जा रहा है? पहला दिन फर्स्ट एक्सपीरियंस मेरा बहुत अच्छा था। मैं आया, यहाँ पर अमरीश सर मिले हमें, जिन्होंने हमें गाइड करा कि कैसे कैसे प्रोसेस होगा, क्या क्या है सेमेस्टर वाइज। हमें स्कोर सिस्टम सिखाया कि स्कोर सिस्टम कैसा है, बाकी एक्सप्लेन करा कि फर्स्ट सेम में क्या होगा, सेकंड सेम में क्या होगा।
So hello, my name is Tarun Kumar Verma from Rewari, Haryana. So it's my first day at GRUNI. This is an amazing campus that you can see, and my first day experience was very cool and awesome. Here staff and everyone is very kind-hearted and helpful.
Hi everyone, I'm Javan Tarin and I'm from Jammu and Kashmir, and today we are at the GRUNI main campus, which is in Tbilisi. Well, it is an amazing campus to begin with. As you can look around, all the facilities there, the campus is amazing in itself. It's all furnished, it's all amazing, the people are amazing here. And just taking a look around, just taking a stroll around the campus, it's peaceful. The weather adds to it. Georgia has amazing weather and it adds to it. And we're just going through our process, our daily process right here. The team has briefed us at the moment, and they've made us understand everything, how we'll go throughout the year. And yeah, the team has been helpful. The campus is amazing, and yeah, it's been good.
Hi, myself Priya Singh. I'm from UP, and I'm now in GRUNI University, which is in Georgia. I'm here for my study of MBBS, and this is my first day here, and I was so excited for this day, and I feel so good here. The environment is so welcoming and so warm.
Hello, myself Om Singh. I visited the university first time. It was my first day. It is my great experience. The university is well organized and well decorated. Our meeting was also there with Dean and with our director. They resolve our queries very well, like how the semester will be go and how the subject will be divided and all, how we will study, how our batches will be work, where we will study, in which building we have to go, all with our TRC, everyone. Thank you. हेलो माई सेल्फ ओम सिंह, मैं उत्तर प्रदेश से हूँ। मैं अभी ग्रूनी मेडिकल यूनिवर्सिटी में हूँ और मुझे स्टार्टिंग से अब्रॉड ही जाना था। मेरे पास और भी अदर ऑप्शंस थे जैसे रशिया, जो मैं पर्सनली देख रहा था। फिर मैं आर्यन ग्रुप ऑफ एजुकेशन से मिला, फिर मुझे रिया मैम, सुनंदा मैम मिली। उन्होंने मुझे सारी चीज़ें बताई कि ग्रूनी कैसा है, जॉर्जिया कैसी है, कितनी सेफ़ है, कितनी अच्छी है। और फिर मुझे लगा कि रशिया से ज़्यादा बेटर मेरे लिए ये ऑप्शन है। फिर मैं यहाँ के लिए सोचा कि ये कैसी होगी। फिर उन्होंने मुझे सारे प्रोसेस बताए कि यहाँ की ज़्यादा सेफ़ है, रशिया से ज़्यादा अच्छा है ग्रूनी। तब मुझे लगा कि ग्रूनी एक बेस्ट ऑप्शन रहेगा मेरे लिए। और फिर उसके बाद मेरे सारे प्रोसेस और सारी डॉक्यूमेंटेशन, सारी मनी ट्रांसफ़र इतने ईजिली हो गए कि मुझे पता ही नहीं चला कि मेरे सारी चीज़ इतनी स्मूथली हो गई और मैं कब यहाँ आ गया। थैंक यू आर्यन ग्रुप ऑफ एजुकेशन अ लॉट।
कैसा लगा आपको एक्सपीरियंस मॉल का?
बहुत अच्छा लगा सर, बहुत काफ़ी चीज़ें यहाँ को देखने को मिली है।
तो तरुण, हाउ इज योर एक्सपीरियंस इन द मॉल? कैसा लग रहा है?
So I visited first time in the Tbilisi Mall. It is a very great mall, and I got SIM from this Selfie name SIM company, and this is a very great mall in Georgia.
This is Sumaya Rasool. It's her second day in Georgia and she's at TN currently, the Tbilisi Mall. And let's see how's her experience.
I got my first seat